Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure landlord-tenant mediation with mediate.com, quick tutorial step-by-step clearly. To begin configuring landlord-tenant mediation with mediate.com, start by visiting their official website. On the homepage, locate the Mediation Services section. Click on the Landlord-Tenant Mediation option. You will be directed to a detailed page about landlord-tenant mediation services. Take a moment to read through the provided information to understand the mediation process. Scroll down to find the Get Started button. Click on the Get Started button to begin your setup. You will be prompted to create an account if you do not already have one. If you have an existing account, simply log in with your credentials. Fill out the required personal information fields in the registration form. These may include your name, email address, and phone number. After completing the form, review the terms and conditions. Then, check the box to agree to them. Click on the Submit button to complete your registration. Once registered, you will receive a confirmation email. Open your email and click on the verification link provided. This will redirect you back to the mediate.com platform. Now, log into your account using your credentials. After logging in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the Create a Mediation option. Click on this option to initiate a new mediation process. Fill in the details of your mediation case. Provide relevant information about yourself, the tenant, and the property involved. Be as detailed as possible to ensure clarity. Once you have filled out the form, review all the information for accuracy. When satisfied, click on the Submit button to finalize your mediation setup. You will then be presented with available mediators. Take your time to read each mediator's profile and expertise. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.